Hello, my name is Charlie, and this is McConnell Chevrolet here in Healdsburg, California. Let me see, I'll give you my phone number. It's 707 area code 395-3503. I wanted to take a minute and show you this beautiful, it's a 3/4 ton, 2500 Chevrolet Avalanche. 2003 with about 88,000 miles. Just in beautiful condition. I'm going to kind of do a walk around and I'll show you the inside, outside. It does have a 6-disc in-dash CD changer with tan leather interior. Has a sunroof. Very well equipped and in very nice condition. Show you that. Give you a walk around here. Has the nicer wheels and tires. And again, it is a 4-wheel drive. Let's see if I can't kind of show you the inside here a little bit. I think the camera will adjust. Let's see, I kind of show you the dash. The driver's seat, center console there, front, and then this is the passenger seat as well. And let's see, while I'm at it, I can show you the back. Actually, I kind of got myself in the picture there in the window, huh? Let's see, interior of the back seats. They don't even hardly look like they've been sat on. Again, has the sunroof. All right, there's a tailgate. Okay. And again, my name is Charlie, McConnell Chevrolet in Healdsburg. Any questions, give me a call. 707-395-3503. Thank you.